And this is XCW, and the first match we have is the XCW Heavyweight Champion, Chase, taking on... What now? What is Switchblade called again? The
Switchblade.
The state champion?
Yeah, I think it's kind of hard to read with those invisible letters.
Well, either way, it's going to be champion versus champion today.
Yeah, we've already seen him. I think we have enough of him today for one day.
Yeah, to be honest with you, I'm really
already giving me a headache.
Seeing Chase's face, you know, I'm really over it. We need to see someone else as champion, to be honest with you. Yeah, we did. Well, I want to see how. And the fans yelling out like a dog. You're a shark. And now introducing next. He is the state champion, Switchblade.
So if his name's Switchblade, why has he got Cody Michaels at the back of his shirt? You got put in your place by Devon Cash. Don't start.
Shut up! Alright, well, it seems that the fans hate Chase and hate Switchblade.
I'm still confused. Who's Cody Michaels? I don't know who Cody Michaels is.
Cody Michaels is his alter ego, is Switchblade's alter ego.
Till we see an evil Switchblade. Super Saiyan Rose Switchblade.
Or Cody Switch, or Switch Michaels.
Okay, now you just give me a headache because that's
Blade
making me
Michaels?
think too much.
What about Cody Blade?
Okay,
Ooh, Cody
that
Blade.
could work.
Ding, ding, ding.
And here we go, both champions.
Champ versus champ, non-title.
And it seems as if Chase really cannot be bothered with this.
In the ring.
I think we're just pretending.
1, 2.
No, we've actually got a competent ref.
And there it is, they're in the ring. Here we go.
Oh!
And Switchblade to the punch with the gut and then to the face.
Normally it's Chase that's the one that's taking the dirty, cheap shots at his opponent.
It seems that Switchblade has taken a few pointers from Switchblade. No, Switchblade fucking Chase. CJ Click, and who else? Oh, maybe even Jason Nick.
Come on, Chase, get back in the ring. 1, 2.
Chase taking a breather here. Looks like he's got Bauer
3.
a bit checking his mouth.
4.
He's got a hair out of place. He may need to
5.
disqualify himself.
6.
Now Switchblade telling Chase to get back in the ring. Oh! And a massive knee to the, what was that, to the back of the head there?
Look like it.
Switchblade is dazed. He's down, he's dazed. Oh, no. He wants no part.
Really?
He wants no part.
This isn't boxing. We don't have timeouts. Get on with it.
Does boxing even do this? Boxing, you punch a face.
Oh yeah, you attacked me. Yeah, you attacked me.
Like an all-out
Where's it?
straight when you find
Low blow. Where's
Oh,
DQ?
massive knee by Switchblade's face. Yeah. And again.
You all like submissions. You all like submissions.
Oh, here we go. A team locking into submission. Oh! That
No
one's
submission here, buddy.
No submission.
No submission here. Come on, Chuck.
Chase has probably hurt himself. He's holding that hand of his. And that's it. That's that kick that put Hellhammer on the fucking shelf.
That is the move that he takes everyone out with. When you get kicked with that, it is either you're out and down.
Take it easy on your Chase.
Devastating knee to the back of the head. And now locking in the head.
Kill him, Switchy! What's that guy doing over there?
Oh, distracting the referee, gouging the eyes of the champion.
I would have to say that
The
that's
ref didn't even
clever.
see that.
That's clever.
Too distracted on what the friggin' Switchblade's telling him.
Down the
and a
DDT
massive,
on the outside.
Massive DDT on the outside there. Beautifully performed.
Hold back for a bit. Let him breathe.
Now Switchblade knows he cannot go for a pinfall outside the ring. The pinfall has
That's
to be
how a
inside
real champion does it.
Don't even have a belt.
Where's your belt? Where's your belt?
Chase now coming back. Massive spin around punch to the face. Knocking Switchblade into the middle of the ring.
Okay, Cody. He's still alive.
It looks like Chan might have done some damage. Might hurt himself there.
Sure you can continue.
Yep.
Oh, and a massive DDT. Switchblade. Doesn't look like it done any impact considering he just adjusted his pants there.
The Switchblade hasn't moved.
Oh, he moved. Did you not see him adjust himself?
Oh, I didn't want to say that, but you know.
It looks like that.
There,
That
champ.
might have done a bit of damage to his head. Must have had that quick spurt moment of, you know, oh, my pants is down, I gotta fix.
Yeah, he's
May
more
as well
worried about his
join you.
pants than he's being dropped on his head.
All good to continue.
Hey, Raph, he told me something rude.
He's a commentator.
And now the ref getting distracted by Chase
This
telling
is
that
why this is an unsafe working environment. I don't get paid much to commentate, and yet this is what I got to cop with every time Chase comes out.
And this is why the fans ain't happy with half the people in freaking wrestling. Because they cheat. Cheating bastards.
Chasing cheating.
Bastards. Did that last night? No.
Oh, good counter, neck breaker.
Beautiful counter.
What would it mean for Switchblade to beat the champ right now? They'd have to put it. They'd have to give him a title shot down the track if he does win.
What's Switchblade going for now? Oh.
Oh! This could be it.
Beautifully
Hit him.
performed.
1, 2, 3.
He beat him.
What?
What the hell?
What's this?
Switchblade won.
Switchblade has just bet.
What
No.
in the Sam fucking way seeing?
What is going on here? What has just happened?
He got
No way.
He got pinned clean.
No way this just happened.
No shenanigans at all.
Clean pinfall
Wait,
by Switchblade.
what's Dulcie doing?
I don't like this guy.
What-
This guy doesn't. I hate him.
I'm confused. We have just seen a moment.
We have just seen history.
Probably the upset of the year.
another loss to the champion. That is two losses now. One to CJ and one to Switchblade.
What's Dulcie doing? That's my question.
Nah, here we go. He's gonna run his mouth again.
If I ever needed more evidence that you needed me, what the holy hell was that?
You got beat by a guy that doesn't even have a championship belt. That's what happened.
I don't even know if I want to play shit like that. Be a cakewalk.
Hashtag new champ.
Jason, extra champ.